Hello everyone, I'm Rochelle Pereira from Smartbot Automations and welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Are you tired of automation tools that limit your creativity and drains your wallet? Meet n8n, the open sourced powerhouse that puts Zapier and Make to shame. Unlike these tools, n8n gives unlimited workflows, data protection, and full control all for free. And guess what? You can host it yourself in just minutes. Ready to unlock the real potential of automations? Let's get started. As you can see in the screen, n8n is a workflow automation tool, and this is an open source project. And if you want to use their service and use their cloud platform, you can get started in here. Actually, that's not the one that we need to use. Actually, you can go to the GitHub page in here. After that, you need to create an GitHub page by yourself. It's very easy. You can create by using here, and you need to fork this one. Press this one. After that, you will be guided to give that fork a name. Then you can give it any name as you want, and you can fork it. I am not going to do that because I have already forked it and created my repository in here. The next thing that you need to do is you need to host this. Actually, when it comes to hosting, my go-to platform is render.com. Actually, it's a very good platform when it comes to hosting these small projects. The thing that you need to do is press this one new, then you need to choose web service. After that, you need to connect your GitHub account to this. Then you can connect it with here, and as you can see, I have gave the name n8n. Press this one. After that, you need to press connect. Then it will load like this. Then you can give any name that you want, and you need to keep these ones as exactly like this node master. And you can put the region, the closest one for you, and you need to put these ones exactly like this. Then, as this is a test one, we are going to use the free version, and think like you want to store these data and make it run on this render site. You can put the starter package, then you can start it. After this, this is the most important one. We need to put environment variables in here. Press add one. Then you can give this one the node version, and you need to choose the latest version of the node that is available. You can visit their site, and as you can see here, the latest one is version 22.11. We can copy that and paste it in here. Then the thing that you need to do is simply put deploy web service. After you put this one, it's going to automatically start deploy. The issue with this free instance is if you are not available or logged into this server, it's going to spin down after 50 seconds. Then it's going to load everything back from the GitHub repository. As if you have saved any workflows and any other things in this repository, that would be erased. That's why I mentioned go for the standard one, that you need to pay only $7 per month. Actually, when we compare that one with the make.com and the Zapier, that's relatively very cheap, because the make.com charge us $10 per 10,000 operations, but we can get unlimited automations for just only for $7. Actually, that would be really great. After this was deployed, I will tell you what you need to do in order to make sure that you save all your workflows and all other things. Now it has deployed. As you can see in here, it's live. We can visit this site and see whether it's working. Actually, it worked perfectly as we want, and you can put your email, first name, last name, and you can choose any password, because this is hosted on your server. And the next thing that we need to do is, after that one, the next thing that we need to do is, in order to make sure that you save each and every automation that you do, and you have recordings of all the automations, you need to go to the environment, then edit, then add environmental variables, and you need to paste these environmental variables in here. I will include these ones in the description. By that, you can copy and paste it in here. The next one is you need to put your URL. Like the URL is in here. In here, you need to put the URL without the HTTPS, and you need to keep these ones exactly like this. Then the next thing that you need to change is replace this with your URL, and do the same for this one. After that one, you can save and rebuild and deploy. And before that, we need to go to the disk in here. In this instance, as it is in the free version, it it is not showing the disk. By the way, you can upgrade into the standard one, then you will get a dashboard like this. I will show it to you. After you updated your instance into standard one, you will get a dashboard like this. Then you need to put the mount path exactly like this. Then you need to edit the size as 1 GB. Then you can deploy it and you can see the function. After you done with all these ones, you will be guided into a dashboard like this by pressing the link that you have on the render. Then you can press add workflows and you can create workflows from here, and there are so many applications that we can use. The specialties, we can do it unlimited and there are no limitations in here. In the next videos, I'm going to teach you how you can create these automations. Especially in the next video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a LinkedIn post creation automation that create post automatically and send that over to LinkedIn and automatically post. And if you find any value and any important information in here, feel free to like, share and subscribe. That would be super great, and look forward to meet you in the next video. Thank you.